Today, coming at you with another BMW video, and today I'm gonna be fixing the hood latch. With the old hood latch, when I got the car, it didn't work. I tried to open the hood one day when one of the first couple days I got it, and I pulled this out. So I already knew it was broken. He knew it was broken, and he gave me a new hood latch to put in. I just got to do it. This piece of the hood latch is one of 3 pieces, and it sits here and connects to this side of the hood latch, and then there's another cable going from here to here, and then the rest of this cable goes from here to the inside. So I guess this piece broke first, and he was just opening it up. If you go in here, it's like right here or somewhere, you push it over and it unlocks the hood latch, and you'll be able to get the hood open. But I'm tired of doing that, so I'm going to change it. The videos that I watched, they said you gotta take the bumper off and all this extra stuff to do it. But I was talking to a BMW tech, and he said I could basically just take off this top cover and be able to do it. But we're gonna see if that's true or not. So let's see if I'm just wasting time or learning something new. So this might be possible. I got one side done. I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So with these little pins here, these little clips, I took 2 of them out. This one's the hardest one, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. You get a punch. I don't have a punch, so I use a smaller Allen key and put it right there on the hole. Push it down, put your hand behind it so you can catch the pin. Push it down, grab the pin out, take that out, grab a flathead, because I don't have any clips, the little right tool, pop it out. And then you're gonna need a 10 mil for the bolts on the end. You're gonna need an 8 mil with an extension for the headlight bolts, 2 here, and then there's 2 on the back side, 1 here, and then 1 there. And then the headlight should come out. And then you're gonna need a T27 star bit to get the bolts out for the hood latch itself. And then this should come up and you should be able to change it. About to find out. Forgot about this earlier, but you're gonna need an 8 mil to get the bolt out for the radiator support. You just take that out and pop that off. You sneaky bitch. All right, so looks like there's 2 more 8s right here. So it works. You just gotta pull this back a little bit, and I kind of took the screws out of it and kind of wiggled it out. Now I'm trying to get the cable out, but it's a little rusted in there, so I'm get a little PB blast and get that out, then start putting the new cables in and show you how to get to the inside to get that part of the hood latch, but the hood latches are out. So I did bust the myth that you don't have to take the bumper off to get the hood latch out. But my hood latches are broken, sadly. This one on the passenger side, the cable snapped off, so the little ball things are stuck in there. I was gonna pry these off to get it off, but it's riveted together, so that's a no-go. And then this one, the plastic piece that goes on top so the cable can slide through, like this one, is broke, so I'm gonna have to get some new hood latches, which I ordered, and they'll be here Saturday, so video will continue then.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so we're back a couple days later. Finally got the new hood latches to come in, and now we are about to finish putting everything, well, together. So I put everything back together so I don't lose any bolts. So we're just taking everything back apart. I'm just fixing that last headlight bolt now. So now we can go ahead and remove the headlights and everything again. And then once we do all that, get back to the new hood latches versus the old. Remember, the old ones were broken. These brand new ones from Amazon. But hey, it'll work. So let's do it. So they look pretty much the same. So I guess it doesn't matter which side goes on which, because they both kind of notched off to the side. So I don't think it matters. We're gonna find out. So we're just gonna put the cable that connects from latch to latch in its proper position. You put it down, slide it down, pull it back, slide it in. So when you pull it, it pulls the latch. The other side. You want to do the same thing. Put it in there, slide it down, find the groove, and bam, connected hood latch. And you slide it in, peel it back like we did when we got it out, and boom. Line it up with the holes, put the screws in. Well, I'll be damned. Oh, that explains it. There's no threads.
Oh.
So we have to make threads. Hopefully that
Right.
will leave a little thread mark.
Right.
Back it out.
Oh yeah, I think you did something like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
All right, going for the rest of them.
Right.
2 hours later.
All right, so now that all the holes are threaded, now we can put them in and see what's up now. And put it in, line it up with the holes, grab the bolt. All right, then slide the cable under. And before you put this side in, you want to take the side with the clip, have it over here, and then this side you're gonna put into the other side with the hood latch. Slide it down in the groove, pull it back, put it in the hole. So now when you pull this, this hood, this part should move, which it does. So we're getting somewhere. Then you want to take this side, put it back in. All right, lost the bolt, but we'll find it. Or just replace it if we don't. Then you take this, kind of want to run it against here. And then there is these two little like clamp things. Slide in these two little holes here. Like, well, once you close it, it'll fit a little better. But it'll fit right there like that. And then you connect the inside to it. But I gotta replace this cable too. So, yeah. All right, so when you pull it, it should open up like that. And then when you let go, it comes back. And it should do that on both sides. So that's how you know it's working. So
what
now,
about this part over there?
we did kind of rig this part up, but I mean, hey,
It works.
it works. But I'm still going to change that cable out eventually. But now for the moment of truth. Here goes nothing. Oh, wait. I just did a rookie mistake.
Pull it.
No. Yep. Rookie mistake. I broke the fucking headlight.
Nuh-uh.
Forgot to put the headlights on.
Forgot to put the dogs on. I don't think it's broke, bro.
No, this one is.
Oh, it is.
There it is.
All right.
So now for the moment of truth.
I think when you get the latch on this end, it'll help too.
Yeah. And also, this part of the latch is kind of weird too. So, yep. But other than that, it worked. Alrighty, it's all back together. Well, because I did a rookie mistake and broke the headlight. I guess we're gonna get some new headlights soon. I guess, you know, it's time for it anyway. So, I guess that'll be soon. And until next time, peace out.
Somebody looks new.
She does.
Somebody looks nice and fresh.
She do.
Okay. Somebody's identifiable.
Yeah. Is this Blessed from the 90s?
Right.